Let's see if they got any good deals on multimeters on here. Let's check the Prime Big deals. I'm particularly looking for high count, over 6,000 count myself. I want like the most accurate meter possible. This one is 21. I don't know if that one was cheaper. Fluke is $20 off. It's not bad. Um, let's see. I prefer a meter that doesn't use a 9-volt battery also. Let's see here. There really lately haven't been any particularly amazing deals on any of these meters. And you got to be careful of the ones you order because they like to send out used crap. I don't know what the hell the deal is with that. Okay. $7, pretty cheap. Not auto ranging. And some of these meters here, like this, they're okay. They're all kind of based off of a similar type of meter. I actually don't know if I have the one sitting out here or not. I don't think I did. Nope. So these are all usually pretty comparable. I mean, you can almost just like pick one and buy it, but I avoid all these hard plastic A, N, E, and G meters. They're hard plastic. They don't have a rubber case. They're really small. You better off to get something like this with rubber around it. I think I have this one. It's just the listing has changed, and so yes, I do. And this ended up being a pretty good meter, but it was actually cheaper. It was on sale for a while, and it had a mismatched picture. I also have a meter that looks like this one. That might be the same as that one. I don't even know. I can't keep up with these damn things. They all look the same. Interesting stuff. None of these are really all that exciting, are they? Yeah. I should probably narrow it down and use the prime also. When I'm not looking at a bunch of crap. Okay. So I'm wondering if they have a deal on any clamp meters. So the Coetes clamp meter that I bought, I was super impressed with that thing. And I don't even know. There is just nothing special on here. They're just not offering any kind of deals. These are just normal prices, guys. I mean, it might be like a couple of dollars difference. Like, because a lot of them are already overpriced. Like this thing here, you're going to pay $26 for that? I don't think so. These are junk. I have that meter. I hate it. It's horrible. The the knob doesn't turn very well. It doesn't have a very positive detent. Let's see. It's not a good price on those either. Let's look and see if they have like the handheld oscilloscope. Well, and portable. I'll just go with the handheld. Okay, which one's this? $71. You know, this might be the really good one. I have the other one. Come on, what's up with this internet? The 1703 is up to 50. It's 50 megahertz. It's set like I think 30 by default. 2-channel. These are awesome. So I have the earlier one, and they have an 18650 battery in them, and they're rechargeable. They're awesome, absolutely awesome. They work really good. You can buy one of these and forget about using any hobby type oscilloscope at that point. You don't need it anymore. I don't know anything about this one, but the Finersi brand is, you know, it's okay. It's pretty cool. 3-channel, dual channel. One's a DDS generator. So the signal generator on the other one isn't all that amazing. This one also has a different type of battery pack. I really like the other one because it has the 18650. So this is the one I have, and you can get it for $47. And I believe that's what I paid for mine. There was a defect with it, and I got it for free. So this one here is 999 counts and 10 megahertz, and it only has 1 channel, but it's still really great. I don't really use an oscilloscope very often, so for me, like, it's inside of it. It's not something I really care about, but it's nice to have. These are also really good too. Portable tablet oscilloscope, 100 megahertz battery. It allows you to float above the mains and stuff. It adds a level of protection. So let's see what else we got. So these are usually a little bit more money. I had one of these. Don't waste your money. They're okay, but it's a toy. It's not even fully enclosed. $59, 10% coupon. $123 for that one. That's pretty good. And most of these are all going to be pretty similar. I bought a Handtech, the one that you can unlock, and I wasn't really pleased with it, to be honest with you. 118, it's even cheaper. 115, it's even cheaper. Yeah, lots of cool stuff. I bought one of these, and I don't like it. I don't care for it. It's not accurate. It has to be like absolutely, specifically, perfectly set, or it reads inaccurately. So that makes it worthless. Yeah, one of these premium testers here. These are pretty cool. They test transistors and all sorts of fun stuff. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. I'm burned out. I'm tired of looking at crap on Amazon.